Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2017 Ram 1500. That's right, 2017 Ram 1500 quad cab 4x4 Hemi, one owner vehicle, 4,900 miles. This is something we will certify on our pre-owned lot. You'll be 100,000 mile engine powertrain warranty. Super clean vehicle. Vehicle's been very well maintained. Obviously only 4,900 miles on it. Was purchased here locally at Firkins. As you can see, the inside is like brand new. Very well maintained, super clean truck. It does have the bed liner as well, the nice big Ram logo on there, and as you can see, the dual exhaust, trailer hitch, and the wiring for the towing. Super clean truck, silver exterior, gray interior, one owner vehicle, purchased here locally at Firkins. Find out more about this vehicle and contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.